First, we are going to create a short About Me section. Inside the body section, type P and hit Enter. We just created a paragraph. In HTML, tags consists of 3 elements: opening tag, closing tag, and text goes between these tags. Let's add some text to introduce ourselves and save changes. And now our text appeared in the browser. We can add another paragraph. Now you might be thinking, DevDiva, I'm not trying to be George R.R. Martin over here. I didn't come here to write essays, and I've got you covered. Head to the Lorem Ipsum IO, link in Resources, and click Generate. Lorem Ipsum is a classic filler text used in web development. Copy some text from there, and voila! Okay, let's inspect our paragraph. Right-click on the paragraph and click Inspect. This will open Developer Tools. Now you can highlight an HTML element by clicking on it in the panel on the right. Paragraph is a block-level HTML element, which means that it takes up the full width of its container and always starts on a new line. Remember these 3 key points about paragraph. Syntax: start with the opening tag, write your text, and then close with closing tag. Block level element: in HTML, a block level element starts in a new line and takes up the whole available width. Semantics: paragraph has a semantic meaning, indicating that the content inside is a paragraph of text, which improves accessibility and SEO.